Hey everyone, this is Glory Tech and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google services and Google applications on your Huawei devices. This tutorial applies to all Huawei devices without Google Play. And as for today's video, I'm going to use Huawei Y7A. If you want to support this type of channel, subscribe now and click that red button down below. So don't forget to like this video if it helps you. So let's start! Just repeat that step in other apps that needed the GPS. Next up is for those who needed Google Meet for online classes. Let's download it and see if it will work. After opening it got stuck here, so I cut the video and proceed to solution. I just repeated the same step I did from previous app to see if it can be solved by doing the same thing. So let's open Google Meet again. My guess was right and it is working now. So if you ever encountered the same problem, just do the previous steps. Now I will show you how to create shortcut for every app inside DualSpace. Hold the app you want and drag it all the way to the top left corner of the screen. And click Add, and now you can see it in my home screen, the shortcut for YouTube application. Guys, if you're a player of Call of Duty Mobile, don't download it in DualSpace, you will get banned just like me. See that? Instead, download it in APK Pure app. Also, don't use any credit or debit card in DualSpace just to be safe. So if you're planning to buy Huawei Y7A, I will be doing some gaming tests and other helpful stuff using this phone. So that's all for today's video guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.